In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a bill using Xero, and the best part is it will only take 5 minutes. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your Xero account. If you're not on the login page already, simply head over to the Xero website. Once you're there, click on the login button located at the top right hand corner of your screen. You'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure your login credentials are correct and hit login once more to access your Xero dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard. From here, navigate to the Business tab. Clicking on this will present you with a list of options. One of them will be Bills to Pay. Go ahead and click on Bills to Pay to continue. Now you should see a section labelled Awaiting Payment. This is where all the bills that require your attention are listed. Click on Awaiting Payment to view these bills. You'll then be able to select the specific bill you intend to pay. Carefully go through your list and click on the bill you wish to settle. Once you've selected the bill, it's time to specify the payment details. You'll find options to select the date paid and to indicate where the payment will be made from. Choose the correct date on which the payment was or will be made, and ensure the source of the payment is correctly selected. This might be a bank account or another account you have set up within Xero. Don't forget to add a reference for the payment. A reference is simply a note or code that helps you to easily identify the transaction in the future. It could be something like June Utilities or the invoice number. Adding a clear and relevant reference makes tracking payments so much easier. Next, it's time to finalize the payment. Simply click on Add Payment to record the payment against the selected bill in Xero. This step is crucial to ensure your records remain accurate, showing that the bill has been paid. Finally, once you've added the payment, you'll have the option to send a remittance. Sending a remittance is a way of notifying the supplier that their bill has been paid. It's a straightforward process that helps maintain good communication and relationships with your vendors. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully paid a bill using Xero. This efficient process not only helps you manage your business finances, but also ensures that your records are always up to date. Thank you for watching, and feel free to revisit any section if you need further clarification.